Holly, you may not know this about me, but in my 40 years of law practice, I used to do divorces.
Did you now?
I did, yeah. When I
boy.
became a lawyer in 1981 with my father, Robert Olsen, who'd been a lawyer in Orlando since the 50s, back in those days, generally lawyers did any and all kinds of legal business. So I was doing divorces, some guardianships, some probate, some wills, some real estate, kind of doing it all. Now I've narrowed my practice over the years, and it only took me about 10 years to figure out that I don't want to do divorces anymore.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I can see why.
Yeah, you can see why. Because, when the work that we do, estate planning for people, generally we're dealing with happy clients.
Absolutely.
They're here because they want to be here.
Absolutely.
They're going to have to pay us a fee because they're willing to pay us a fee. When you're dealing with divorce clients, guess what? They don't want to be there, and they don't want to pay you.
Oh, goodness. And it's typically a sad situation, isn't it?
I didn't get personally involved in it. I did not get emotionally involved in their divorces. But I can tell you that I remember sitting in my office one time with a man, a woman, me, and another lawyer. We got 4 people. And you know what we're arguing about? We're arguing about the Tupperware collection.
Oh, no.
And how it's going to be divided. And I think that was like a dawning moment on me. That, man,
it's a light bulb.
This is a waste of time and not how I want to spend my time.
Absolutely.
So, but, not to say that I would say this. If you're a lawyer and you're doing divorces, you got to be doing it because you love it.
Absolutely, and kudos to you for doing that.
Well, we need them. There's certainly, yeah.
We do, and they provide us very important service.
And let me specifically say this, that we need good divorce attorneys. What am I saying? I have talked to divorce attorneys before, and I recommend one that I think he's very reasonable. But I've had a divorce attorney speak these words about another divorce attorney in town, okay? And that is that, oh my goodness, when she gets involved in a case, she throws gas on the fire.
Ah.
Okay?
Infuses as opposed to diffuse.
Exactly. Trying to make things more contentious, drag it out, make it more complicated, generate attorney's fees, generate legal fees, not for the good of the client, but for the good of their own pocketbook, in my humble opinion. Mm-hmm. And I don't think that's not what you're looking for.
That's not what you're looking for.
You're looking for solutions and compromise. Mm-hmm. Now, speaking of which, Holly, over my 40 years of law practice, I've had people come to me and say, Tom, I need a lawyer. I need a bulldog lawyer. Man, literally spoke those words to me. Yeah. And I look at them very clearly and say, I'm not your guy. That's not me.
The person.
No. I'm a deal maker, not a deal breaker.
I love that.
I'm a solutions finder. Okay, if you're looking for somebody to be a bulldog, you're looking for somebody else.
Someone else.
Yeah, and I don't mind saying that. There's room in this world for both kinds of attorneys.
Exactly.